See that? And then here's my cat. Beep 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 beep. So many things happened here. So many bright lights and so many dark side. Guys, look at them. We just ikot and then apparently dapat kanina nandyan tayo. And then they just let us ikot. So nakakainis kasi at the same time sumasakit yung tiyan namin. Kakalakad. Kasi na yun, kanina, naglakad lang kami dyan. Bakit di na lang kami mag-shortcut? Mad, seriously. Sinabihan ko si mami sumasakit na yung tiyan ko. Tapos, and then, I told daddy. Pero apparently, sumasakit na rin tiyan ni mami. So, sabi ko kay mami about that.